Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time being here, you are most welcomed. My name is Goodness, and on this channel I make DIY videos on natural hair and natural beauty remedies. I believe you'll find this channel interesting, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button and be part of this amazing community. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you powerful hair treatment using few ingredients, and these hair treatment have helped my daughter's hair to grow. The first ingredient I'm going to be using is rice. Rice contains amino acid which helps to strengthen and regenerate hair faster. Rice is amazing for hair growth, and this is why I am using it. I'm going to be washing my rice thoroughly. I am washing this rice with room temperature water. I'm going to be washing it twice to make sure I remove every form of dirt from the rice, and then I will go ahead to boil this rice till it is soft and tender. Now in this tutorial I eyeballed all the ingredients I use. This is because I'm already used to making the quantity, or let me say I'm used to the right quantity. That will be the right quantity of ingredients that will be enough for my daughter and my hair. But I'm going to leave a measurement in the description box, hoping it helps you. Also, you will need to watch this video till the end to see the full tutorial and also how to use this powerful hair treatment. So this rice has been boiling and it is soft and tender. I'm going to turn off the stove, allow it to cool, and move to the next ingredient, which is aloe vera. Now when I have aloe vera in large quantity like this, I usually put it in an old paper and store in the refrigerator. So here I have this aloe vera. They've been in the refrigerator for some days, and I'm going to go ahead and wash them properly. Now I'm also going to be putting a link in the description box. The link in the description box will direct you to a video tutorial I made on how to properly wash aloe vera, especially freshly cut aloe vera. Now the reason why it is important to wash freshly cut aloe vera properly is because the aloe or the yellow liquid from freshly cut aloe vera can be very irritating. Especially if you have sensitive skin, sensitive scalp, you will need to wash it properly to avoid anything that will irritate your scalp. Right after washing my aloe vera properly, I'm going to go ahead to cut it and scoop out the juice. I am using aloe vera in this hair remedy because aloe vera is a natural anti-inflammatory herb. Aloe vera is very calming to irritated and sensitive scalp. It is very nourishing to our hair and our scalp. Aloe vera helps to detangle hair properly. It will gently soften your natural hair, moisturize it properly, and you'll be able to remove knots and tangles easily. Aloe vera deeply moisturizes each hair strands in such a way that combing your natural hair or handling your natural hair becomes easy. And also it deeply moisturizes our natural hair and our scalp. Aloe vera is great. It is one powerful herb that you need in your natural hair regimen. So this is the amount of aloe vera juice I have, and I'll go ahead to blend this right away. After blending my aloe vera, I'm going in with the next ingredient, which is moringa powder. Guys, moringa powder is amazing. This powerful herb is one herb you will start using in your natural hair regimen, and you will see improvement faster. This herb also contains amino acid, which helps in strengthening our natural hair and regenerating natural hair faster. This miracle herb promotes faster hair growth. Now this is my moringa powder. This is the brand I'm using, and you can get any brand of moringa powder you have, or you can even grind moringa powder. You can dry the leaf and grind it into powder to get your moringa powder. Moringa powder is amazing. This will help to nourish the scalp, calm irritated scalp, clear eczema or any scalp concern. Moringa powder is wonderful. You can even do more research on your own, but one thing about this moringa powder is that it is very amazing on our natural hair and scalp. Now after blending my moringa powder and aloe vera juice, I filtered it, and back in the blender I'm adding my rice, and I'm also going to be adding the blended or moringa puree. Now I decided to filter the moringa and aloe vera juice first, just to be in control of the amount of liquid that goes into this hair remedy. This is because I don't want the remedy to be too watery or too thick, so I decided to filter separately and then add in the liquid little by little. But you can choose to add all the 3 ingredients together, blend right away, and then filter. It is easier and faster that way. So this is my final result. This is the combination of rice, moringa and aloe vera juice. Now I'm going in with my last ingredient, which is castor oil. This is optional. You can use this hair treatment right away, but I am adding castor oil because you know castor oil is amazing. Castor oil helps to strengthen hair strands and thicken hair, especially if you're having concern with thinning hair. Then you need to add castor oil. This will help to make your hair thicker and fuller. Now this is optional. You can actually use this remedy right away, or go ahead and add castor oil like I did. So my remedy is ready. I am going ahead to pour it into my spray bottle, but no, I'm not going to be pouring it out. This is thick. I'm actually pouring it here to make it easier for me. I'm going to be pouring it out so it can be a little less messy. Now my daughter has been wearing protective hair for a while, and I just loosened her protective hairstyle and put it in a 2-strand twist like this. I usually do this to make it easier for me to work with her hair and also to reduce tangles and knots. So I'm starting it with a strand at a time, making sure that every strand is fully saturated with this powerful treatment. I'm going to make sure that her scalp as well is fully covered with this treatment, every part of her hair, every strand on her hair, and also the tip of her hair. The tip of her hair is the oldest part of her hair, so I want to make sure it is well nourished, well moisturized. This way it will reduce breakage and tangles, and her hair will enjoy being well nourished, and also this will help to promote hair growth. So this hair treatment basically promotes hair growth. The ingredients used will help to strengthen your hair strands, thicken your hair, and help your hair to grow fast. Like, just be consistent with it. Use it at least twice in a month, especially if you're having thinning hair or hair loss concern. Then you need to use this treatment twice in a month. But if it is just to promote further hair growth, you can use it once in a month, and you will definitely see an improvement in your hair. This will help to grow your hair faster. This is one treatment you will keep coming back to. Like, you will always find this treatment helpful. Just give it a try the first time and you will fall in love with this treatment. Give it a try, be consistent, and also follow a healthy hair regimen, and you will definitely see an amazing result. Now, this treatment, the beautiful thing about it is that the ingredients are readily available to you. Like, you can easily source the ingredients, so why not give this treatment a try and watch your hair improve? So if you have been watching this video up to this point, you are amazing. I hope you have clicked the subscribe button, and also share your opinion, your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video and also share this video with amazing people around you. So the right way to use this hair treatment is basically to saturate the hair with this hair treatment. Make sure you part the hair into sections to make it easier for you, or you can put it in 2-strand twist like I'm doing. Then saturate the hair with this hair treatment. Massage the scalp thoroughly. Like, you need to gently massage the scalp thoroughly so that the scalp can, be well nourished. Then massage the hair. Finger detangle like I'm doing as well. Here I am finger detangling, especially if you're handling a child's hair. You want to be gentle and finger detangle as well. Then make sure that the tip of her hair, or the tip of the hair, is well nourished to reduce breakage. So you want to make sure that you apply this treatment to the tip of the hair. Be very generous, and when you're applying this treatment, be very generous. Make sure that the scalp is well covered, the hair is also well covered, so that every part of the hair and scalp is well moisturized and well nourished. Then go ahead and cover with a plastic wrap. I'm going to be covering my daughter's hair with a plastic wrap as well, and I'm going to be leaving it for at least 40 minutes. Covering it with a plastic wrap will help to introduce mild heat. This will help this ingredient to absorb into the scalp and hair and work faster. Now, you also want to go ahead and rinse it off after 40 minutes with warm water, and then shampoo the hair, condition it properly, and put it in a simple style that you feel comfortable with. So this video is getting too long, which I really don't want it to get longer than this. So I'm going to be washing my daughter's hair off camera. I'm going to be conditioning it properly and then styling it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you find this video very helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye bye.